everyone, Josie here, Live at 50 and Beyond. Thanks for joining me here in my channel. Today I'm going to be creating another reversible centerpiece, and this time it's going to be in a smaller scale than the one I created a couple of days ago. So this is perfect for a small space, especially if you want to decorate your child's bedroom, or if you live in a small space like a dorm room or studio apartment, or you're sharing a space and you don't want to decorate a lot, or some folks even live in a van or an RV or a mobile home and they don't want to overwhelm their space with bigger decorations. This one will be easy to store and put away for next year. For this project, I will be using this pumpkin shaped gift box, or kind of like a trinket box, and I purchased this style, the one that says autumn in the front, and in the back it says harvest. So that's why I'm saying it's reversible, because I'm going to prop it up like a centerpiece. I'm going to be using it as a centerpiece. So all I'm doing here is just adding some of the pumpkins that I purchased at Dollar Tree also. Actually, these pumpkins were part of my projects from 2018, last year, and I figured I want to reuse them this year, but in a different manner. When they were part of a wreath or an arrangement before, I'm putting them in this box. So I just put different pumpkins, like I said, and you can choose whatever pumpkins you have. And I will be linking in the upper right hand corner the video in where I filmed how I made or painted these pumpkins. So anyway, if you notice, I just propped up the lid and kind of leaned it back, and then I'm using the pumpkins to kind of hold it in place. But if you want to, you can also hot glue it in place, or probably use some pins or clips. Just make sure that you cover them. So I'm using some of the florals that I have left over from a previous project. I'm using the flowers to fill in the voids or the empty spaces and to help anchor the lid in place, because like I said earlier, I didn't hot glue it, I didn't pin it, I didn't even clip it, because I want to reuse it year after year, not just as a decoration but also as a trinket box. I really love how this box looks like, so I figured I can use it as a decoration, probably tuck it or place it in a shelf or an armoire, or even on top of my mantelpiece. Now I'm using also these rattan bowls as fillers, not just the pumpkins, because I like the texture. So this bowl here, this kind of larger size, it comes 3 in a pack for $1 at Dollar Tree, and then they also come in smaller sizes, 4 in a pack. And I'm just putting them at random places, and like I said, I'm kind of trying to use the items here to hold my lid in place. And then I'm going to go ahead and fill in more of the flowers. As you could see, that lid is kind of tilting forward. You can also put adhesive tape. It's temporary, as long as you make sure that you remove it carefully when you have to dismantle it, so that it doesn't tear the cardboard. If you want to save it, like me, I want to save it. But I think in the end it will work out. And again, if I want to anchor it more with the silk flowers, I'm just adding them throughout. The same colors from my previous arrangement, the cream colored flowers, orange, and also the green colored flowers. So I'm just going to try to kind of fill in as best as I could, making sure that the autumn word is still showing. And then on the back, I'm going to be filling it also with some flowers. And here is the finished project. I love how it turned out. I'm really liking this cute, but then it's bursting with fall colors. What a beautiful arrangement. And again, like I said, you can also appreciate the back, so it can sit in the center of the table and you don't have to worry about hiding the ugliness at the back, because it's also as pretty as the one in the front. Of course, the front one had more items on it than the back, but you can definitely put more at the back. Now I have an extra pumpkin here, and I've decided to kind of place it next to this arrangement. So I hope you enjoyed this video, everyone. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Please share to anyone who may be in need of fall decorations, but they are overwhelmed with a lot of choices, and this is a simple, quick, and easy fall decor that you can do on the budget. Please check the other videos that I have for fall. I'm still decorating for fall. I will start my winter decor probably early November, but I'm still in the fall gear right now, so I'm just trying to catch up and do some more videos for you. So I hope you like that. This video also is quick and easy. Take care now. I'll talk to you again on my next video. Bye-bye.